Hi, Andy from Great Lakes Technical Service here. I've just taken delivery of my new Cloudray MP60 Light Marker Pro. We are unboxing it, and as you can see, it's very well packaged in a wooden crate. Inside the wooden crate, it's packed in a thick cardboard box. Inside this box, all components are wrapped in foam and plastic. The MP60 Light Marker Pro from Cloudray has a 60 watt MOPA JPT laser source, has a frequency range of 1 to 4000 kHz and 2 to 500 nanosecond Q-pulse. It was supplied with an f290 200mm lens. It has a work area of 200mm by 200mm. It supports both EasyCAD 2 and Lightburn software. It's fitted with a JCZ standard control card, not a light controller card supplied by some others. I also ordered a 200mm elevating device so I could use my f420 300 by 300mm lens for a larger scan area. The video has been sped up, but you will see me assembling the laser for the first time with the elevating device. This is all quite simple. Also supplied is a pair of safety glasses, most important to wear all the time, a printed manual, a guarantee card, some stickers, a list of items supplied, a printed quality control sheet with test results from both Cloudray and JPT. We have some gloves, both silicone and cotton, a foot switch, USB drive with config files and a manual, plus some videos, an RS-232 cable, fixing bars, some anodised business cards for testing, and a rotary chuck with 2 sets of jaws.